Hello everyone. In this session we are going to learn part modeling in NX CAD. In NX 12, features are a class of objects that have a defined parent. Features are associatively defined by one or more parents and the order of their creation and modification written within the model, thus capturing it through the history. Parents can be geometrical objects or numerical variables. Features include primitives, surfaces, or solids, and certain wireframe objects such as curves and associative trim and bridge curves. For example, some common features include blocks, cylinders, cones, spheres, extruded bodies, and revolved bodies. Commonly, features can be classified as follows: a body, a class of object containing solids and sheets. Then next is solid body, a collection of faces and edges that enclose a volume. Next feature is sheet body, a collection of one or more faces that do not enclose a volume. And the last feature is face, a region on the outside of a body enclosed by edges. Okay, now we will see about datum coordinate system and datum planes. Datum planes are reference features that can be used as a base feature in constructing other features. They assist in creating features on cylinders, cones, spheres, and revolved solid bodies which do not have a planar surface, and also aid in creating features at angles other than normal to the faces of the target solid. We will follow some simple steps to practice reference features. For this, we will go to the NX CAD software. Here you can see these are the sketching tools. By using, you can do a 2D sketch. This is a rectangle. I will extrude this rectangle. For this, first select the sketch, specify a vector, then here you can see the options for extrusion: value, symmetric value, until selected, until extended. I will keep this as a value, and here I will give the value for extrusion. Then in next direction also I will give the value as okay. Here you can give the draft if you want. Then body type, I will select the solid, then apply. Okay, this is how you can do the extrude feature in NX 12 software.